Hello friends, today we will discuss about gastric ulcer management. What are the drugs used in the management of gastric ulcer? First class of drug is H2 blockers. H2 blockers. What are the examples for H2 blockers? We have cimetidine, ranitidine, famotidine, roxatidine, nizatidine, and we have loxatidine. These are examples for H2 blockers. What is the action? These drugs reduce the basal and nocturnal acid output. So, it is better to be taken at night time. It decreases basal and nocturnal acid output. Basal and nocturnal acid output. H2 blockers have renal route of excretion. So, these drugs are unsafe in kidney failure. One of the drug is cimetidine. This cimetidine has anti-androgenic action. It has anti-androgenic action. So, one of the side effect is gynecomastia. This cimetidine is a strong CYP enzyme inhibitor. So, it has more drug interaction. It is a CYP enzyme inhibitor. So, it has more drug interactions. Most commonly, we will use ranitidine. This famotidine is most potent. Next class of drug is proton pump inhibitors. Proton pump inhibitors. What are the example for this? We have omeprazole, esomeprazole, pantoprazole, lansoprazole, and rabeprazole. These are the proton pump inhibitors. These inhibit the H plus K plus ATPase pump. This inhibits H plus K plus ATPase pump. These drugs are called as hit and run drugs. Hit and run drugs because these have short T-half, about 2 to 3 hours, and they act for longer duration. They have shorter T-half and they act for longer duration. So, these are called as hit and run drugs. What is the mechanism of action of proton pump inhibitors? These inhibit H plus K plus ATPase pump. These irreversibly block the proton pump. So, they have longer duration of action. One of the important question is proton pump inhibitor with no drug interaction. What is the example for proton pump inhibitor with no drug interaction? We have pantoprazole and rabeprazole. These do not have drug interaction. That's why we use most commonly these drugs. Next class of drug is M1 antagonist. M1 antagonist. What are the examples? We have pyrenzapine and tilenzapine. These are the M1 antagonist. What are the next class of drugs? We have antacids. What are the examples? We have sodium bicarbonate and calcium carbonate. These are the antacids. This calcium carbonate should not be given with milk because it causes one syndrome called as milk alkali syndrome. Next class of drug is ulcer protectives. Ulcer protectives. What are the example? We have sucralfate. It includes sucrose plus sulfated aluminum hydroxide. This sucralfate acts only in acid medium, so pH should be less than 4. It acts only in acid medium. That's why this sucralfate should not be taken with other antacid or H2 blockers. Next one is bismuth. It has side effect like black color stool and black color tongue. One more class of drug is ulcer healing drugs. Ulcer healing drugs. What are the example? Carbenoxolone sodium. Carbenoxolone sodium. This is ulcer healing drug. So this is about the drugs used in the treatment of gastric ulcer. Friends, if you like this video, please click like button and share this video to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.